Hello and welcome to freedomofcreativity.com. My name is Tim Columba, and today I'm going to show you how to join and start your free listing on Freedom of Creativity. To get started, click on Join Now. There are three choices. You can be a creative, a collaborator, or producer. Today I'll just show you how to start with a free account. So under the free account, creative, you can hit Select Plan, and you can sign up right here. Once you fill that out, you create a profile, and you'll want to check your email to make sure you verify your email to activate your account. So go to your email, and the email might be in your spam, but it might also be in one of these promotional tabs depending on the email platform you're using. So you'll click on that email. Once you're ready, you can click on this link, and it will bring you back to your profile where you can now create your listing. So under type of listing, you can either do a business listing or a personal listing. I recommend doing a personal listing and then creating a business listing under your sub accounts, which I can get to later. So you'll add your name. Your email address should already be in there. You can add your phone number if you'd like. I like to leave mine out, but you might want to leave it in. Company name, Freedom of Creativity. Your position, founder, short description. Next, you're going to add your location. So you can be as specific or vague as you like. So, you can write United States if you so choose. You can put in a specific address, or I recommend you put in the town that you're from or where you work out of, because at least, people nearby will be able to find you. And, if you want to collaborate with people nearby, this is a great way to find people in your area. Here's where you can add your website. So you'll want to add https://. Then you can add your website, add your social media profiles. So facebook.com/freedom of creativity US, and so on. Hit save and continue, and it'll bring you to the next page. Now here's where you can add your profile photo or your profile logo. You can also add a profile cover photo. So these are all different options you can use. So let's just say, for instance, I'm doing this under Freedom of Creativity. I can add this logo here, so just click here, and on your computer you'll find the logo. Okay, then you'll confirm upload, and there you go. Your profile logo is up. As you can see, it populates right here. So to choose your profile cover photo, you'll click on Upload Profile Cover Photo. Choose the photo. So you can choose any size photo. So once you choose it, you'll then have the ability to crop and get the exact cover photo that you want. Confirm cover upload. And there you go. You're going to hit continue to next section to save. All right, now this is the most important part of this entire website, is to select the categories that you specialize in. So there's two ways to do this. You can search by keywords. So say you're an artist. So you can just type in art. You got art photographer, artist here. So things will show up out of all our categories. You can do, let's say you're a web developer. Just type in web, and all these different web design things will come up. So I'll do web platform. What else? I do media production, so I'll do media producer. Okay. And teacher, because today I'm your teacher. With the free account, you can select 3 categories, which should at the very least allow people to find you under your field. But you're also able to select an unlimited amount or a lot more options if you upgrade your account. Over here, you can upload your resume or portfolio. Sometimes you might have a product brochure or some sort of, maybe you have a portfolio of some kind to add. You can add it here. You can add a personal quote. So let's say, because we're all sick of cancel culture. Here you can add credentials, honors, awards, and then you'll hit save and continue. And now here you can write a little write-up about yourself, and this can be as long or short as you want. You can format it. You can add photos, you can add video. So there's a lot of you can do here actually. All right, so I'll just write test. This is a great tutorial video. Save and continue. Last but not least is service area. So this is where you can specify your reach and where the limits of where you work. So, for me, for instance, I'll work all over the United States. So I'm going to add United States. And that's now, I'm able to work in, all over the country if need be. And, you might just work in one state, you might just work in one county, you might just work in one city. And so you can add those here. I believe you can add up to 3 with a free account, and you'll be able to add more depending if you upgrade or not. Okay, and once done there, you go back to dashboard. Once you've finished building your listing, this will be your main dashboard. To get to the dashboard, no matter where you are on the website, you'll go up to the top right of any screen, and you click on your name and logo, and you'll hit the dashboard button. That will bring you to your dashboard. Now I'm going to show you around the dashboard with an account that's already got content and listings in it. So this is my real account, and so what we can do here is on the dashboard, you have your logo, you can view your listing, you can manage your profile. So this is ways to just update your profile in any way, manage your listing. You can also do that here. So depending on your account, you may be able to check out your profile statistics. So this will tell you how many views you had and how many links were clicked and things like that. You'll be able to manage leads. So when someone messages you that isn't a user on the website, you'll find that message here under leads. Normally on platforms like this, they charge you for those leads. We don't do that. You can receive private messages from other users here on your chat messages, and you can also manage your reviews. Now under favorites, as you go along, you can find different, whether it's people, articles, things like that are your favorites. You can hit a favorites button, and those will show up here. You can also favorite different members. So my saved members, here's a bunch of members. So once you do that, you'll have this feed where you can find different posts from your favorite members. So let's just say you have a member who's part of a band and you like their music. You can hit audio file and you'll find their music. Or maybe there's someone who you like that makes great videos. You go to videos and you'll find their new videos. So that's a cool little activity you can do. And here's where you'll find all the posts that you've made. So for example, community articles. So if I click here, I'll see all the articles that I've created, and I'll be able to edit them, view them, clone them, delete them. Then let's go back to our dashboard, clicking this button. And if I want to publish any content, so if I want to post an article, post a song, post an event, you can click on one of these categories here to post them. So let's just say I want to post a discussion. Click on that. And here you can write a discussion. So discussion test. You'll choose a category and so on. And so anytime you want to post something, go to your dashboard, go to publish content, and under here just select the category and go ahead and do that. We'll get into each of these individual options down the line, and you can see the different ways to post content onto Freedom of Creativity, and I'll give you some ideas and suggestions on how to get started and interact with people. So there's a tour of how to sign up for your free account and make a public listing. Get on there and do it, because you know something, if you just do it, you spend 10 minutes making a nice profile, and even if you kind of step away, at least you're now visible to those who may not have found you otherwise. You're essentially planting a seed, and it's a way to start engaging with the creative community who, loves and respects freedom and thinks the way you think. To get to tutorials, you can always go on the home page, scroll down, and just click here to check out our new tutorials. All right, I'm Tim Columba. This has been a Freedom of Creativity tutorial. Thank you for your time.